Hi there, this is Sojib and welcome to you all from our YouTube channel, and our channel name is English with Sojib, and please do subscribe and share our channel. So today is my presentation day, and my today's topic is an energetic person whom I know personally. Okay, so I'm starting it. Yes, I have an energetic person whom I know personally, and let's introduce Kausar Ahmed, who is my best friend and childhood friend. I know among most of the people, lots of people, those people he personally helped those people, Kausar Ahmed, by his money, by his energy, by his time. That's why I have chosen today to talk about him. We met first time in our childhood, and he lives near in our houses. So almost every day we meet each other and played cricket, football, and we had lots of great and good memories. Why he is very energetic person? Because I saw several times he helped people really who has need help. How? How that I saw that someone if want to facing problem to road crossing, at that moment when he saw that those people in critical situation, at that moment he came forward from many of people. And when someone is facing some money problem, he also try to help them by providing money. So this kind of situation I personally saw that he is very kind person. Secondly, in pandemic time, you know that all over the world, when goes back to home, at that moment lots of people are suffering from COVID, and they're suffering from the hospital. So after his office time, he several days he goes to office and take care of them with nurse or doctor person, obviously. And secondly, in silently he donate lots of money from his salary and personally help lots of people in this way. So this is very impressive to me, and this is a generous person. He's very generous person, and personally I loved him very much, because he always motivated me to do some voluntary work, maximum day. And I'm also grateful to this kind of people, because he also tried to also counseling me every time and motivated me to get involved social work also. And I thought at that moment, after those event happening in my life, I really teach from him that it is very important. We need to get involved in social work, because because of a good social work, world will in better life. So that's all for the today timing. And once again, please subscribe our channel and join with us from Facebook, and our Facebook page name is English School, and also please join our group. So thank you once again.